Do you have any pet? Do you have any pet? Hari intungwa ufise? Yes, I have a dog. Yes, I have a dog. Isimbuga. What's your favorite sport? What's your favorite sport? What's your favorite sport? Ukunda umukino uwuhe? My favorite sport is basketball. My favorite sport is basketball. Nkunda umupira w'amaboko. What's your favorite book? What's your favorite book? What's your favorite book? Ukunda igitabo ikihe? My favorite book is Harry Potter. My favorite book is Harry Potter. Nkunda igitabo cyitwa Harry Potter. How is the traffic? How is the traffic? How is the traffic? Ambutiyage imeze gute? It's heavy. It's heavy. Ni nyinshi. Do you like to travel? Do you like to travel? Urakunda gutembera? Yes, I love it. Yes, I love it. Ego, ndabikunda. What's your favorite holiday? What's your favorite holiday? What's your favorite holiday? Ukunda umunsi mukuru uwuhe? My favorite holiday is Christmas. My favorite holiday is Christmas. Nkunda umunsi mukuru wa Noheli. Are you feeling okay? Are you feeling okay? Wiyumva neza? Yes, I'm fine. Yes, I'm fine. Ego, meze neza. Can you drive? Can you drive? Urashobora gutwara imodoka? Yes, I can drive. Yes, I can drive. Ego, ndashobora gutwara imodoka. How is work going? How is work going? Ukazi biraza? It's going well. It's going well. Biraza. How is school going? How is school going? Kushuri biraza? It's going well. It's going well. Biraza. Do you exercise regularly? Do you exercise regularly? Urugira gym kenshi? No, I don't. No, I don't. Oya. What's your favorite TV show? What's your favorite TV show? Ukunda ikiganiro ikihe kuri televiziyo? My favorite TV show is Friends. My favorite TV show is Friends. Nkunda ikiganiro cyitwa Friends. How is the food? How is the food? How is the food? Izi ndyo uzumva gute? It's delicious. It's delicious. Ziraryoshe. What's your favorite restaurant? What's your favorite restaurant? What is your favorite restaurant? Ukunda restaurant iyihe? I like Cafe Express restaurant. I like Cafe Express restaurant. Nkunda Cafe Express restaurant. Do you need anything? Do you need anything? Do you need anything? Icyo ukeneye? No, I'm good, thanks. No, I'm good, thanks. Oya, meze neza urakoze. What's your favorite dessert? What's your favorite dessert? What's your favorite dessert? Uhejeje gufungura ukunda urenze kwiki? My favorite dessert is ice cream. My favorite dessert is ice cream. Nkunda kurenza ko ice cream. Can you swim? Can you swim? Can you swim? Urashobora koga? Yes, I can swim. Yes, I can swim. Ego, ndashobora koga. How is your day going? How is your day going? Umunsi wawe uri kugenda gute? Pretty good, thanks. Pretty good, thanks. Uri kugenda neza, urakoze. Are you busy right now? Are you busy right now? Urafatiwe? No, I'm not. Oya simfatiwe. What's your dream job? What's your dream job? What's your dream job? Wifuza kuzokora iki? My dream job is engineering. My dream job is engineering. Nifuza kuzokora akazi k'ubu engineer. Can you speak any other language? Can you speak any other language? Ushobora kuvuga urundi rurimi? Yes, I can speak Spanish. Yes, I can speak Spanish. Ego, ndashobora kuvuga Igisipanyolo. What's your favorite animal? What's your favorite animal? Ukunda igikoko ikihe? My favorite animal is elephant. My favorite animal is elephant. Nkunda inzovu. Do you like spicy food? Do you like spicy food? Urakunda indya zirimo ibirungo? Yes, I love it. Yes, I love it. Ego, ndabikunda. How is the family? How is the family? How is the family? Umuryango uraho? Yes, they are doing fine. Yes, they are doing fine. Ego baraho. What's your favorite fruit? What's your favorite fruit? Ukunda icyamwa iki? My favorite fruit is apple. My favorite fruit is apple. Nkunda pome.